Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we have seen how to install VS Code, and this video we will see on how to install Python and some of the VS Code extensions. To install Python, go to Google and search for Python. Go to the python.org and here you will see in the downloads section, install the click on the download option to install the latest available version for Mac. If you're using Windows or Linux, you'll see the same for those as well. So click on download and open the downloaded file. Open it, double click on it, so and follow the screen instructions, right? So readme, click on continue, and say agree, then install. So let it choose all the default options that it is selecting, and it is requesting for a password. Let me enter that and then click on install. So it is installing the latest available Python in our machine. So there are some cases where you might need to have multiple versions of Python, and we might have to use the virtual environment for it. That is a topic for another video. But right now, let's see how to install Python globally for this MacBook. All right. So let us wait for this to continue. I will resume my video once this installation is complete. All right, as you can see, the installation is complete right now, and you will see this Python 3.14 installed. So let us close this and close this downloads as well. Okay, it is still installed, and then now it is asking me to close this, so which is very good. Whatever the installed file is, that it is asking you to move to trash because it's already done. Hence, click OK if it is asks you. Otherwise, you can ignore this. So to see whether it Python has been installed or not, let me open the terminal and just type Python hyphen version. So Python not found. Let's see what is this. So sometimes you might have to type Python 3. As you can see, Python has been installed, right? So coming back to the VS Code, in VS Code also we can check. So let's go to the terminal in the VS Code, and same we can do Python 3 hyphen version. Python is installed. If we do Python, just the Python 3, it will go to the CLI command line interface, and we can see 2 plus 3, it is returning 5, and then we can see, let's say, print hello AI. It's gonna print hello AI. So now Python is there in our machine. All right, so now let's see a couple of extensions that are very important for the Python developers. So some of the extensions that we are going to see is Python. You can search for Python. So you see this Python, which is by Microsoft. You can see so many downloads here, maybe 220 million if I'm not wrong, right? Click on install. So it is installed right now. Then similarly, there is something called Pylance, which is for VS Code specific. You can also install this as well. Then you can search for Claude, CLAUDE. This is for Claude for VS Code, which is very important, right? Trust the publisher and install. So you can install this as well. So next we have something called Cline, Cline, which is again for external AI, if you want to integrate, we'll make use of it. It is by Cline.bot, right? So this is also installed. Welcome to Cline. And like similarly, if you want to install like Jupyter Notebook, even that is also there. That is also by Microsoft.com. You can follow. Just click on install. All right, we can see that Jupyter Notebook is installed. Um, and when we go back to the list here, which you can see Python, Claude, Cline is also installed. And this is a place where if you want to install any other extension, you can just come and search like uh, cursor. If it is there, you can see so many options are available. If you want to see anything else, like uh, Node or JS, some other extensions, you will see so many things will come up, right? So this is about the VS Code, and these are the options. Like if you want to go to terminal, you can go to terminal, and again, as I shown you, this is where we will be able to see the Python commands we'll be able to run. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the content, please hit the like and leave a comment on uh, your feedback or improvements, if any. Thank you so much.